Oh, this coop isn't the prettiest thing. I call it the Whacky Shack. I'm not a carpenter by any flippin' means necessary. But me, my kids, and my husband, who is also, I'm probably a better carpenter than he is, built this for literally 20 bucks. My T-post, my chicken wire, I should say about 30 bucks because I had to pay 10 bucks for this deer mesh right here. But the snow fencing, all this was free. So that was great. Check. Ooh, crap. Those are looser than I want to drive those down. Yeah, those are getting loose. To drive those down a little bit better. But also, if children wouldn't lean on it, it'd be great. So back your butt up. I built this coop. Yeah, I have a big board standing straight up. That's for a reason, as you can tell. It gives a lot of shade to these birds. It also blocks the wind a bit. So there's a method to the madness. I did an outside nest box that with a wire and a nail keeps it shut. A nice piece of chipboard for the top, and yeah, we're accessible from the outside. Where?
Right here. Right here. Right here. Right here.
Hold on a second.
Oh no, she did.
No, she's just sunbathing.
No, she was pooing.
Well,
Oh wait.
I don't think we're gonna get any more eggs today, guys.
She's trying to lay or poo.
No, she's sunbathing. The one that's lying down? Yeah, she's just sunbathing. She's not laying. But now they also have a pool for Hulk. Hulk's already been in it, enjoyed it. Pooped in it.
Charlie. That hurts. That hurts, Charlie. That hurts my heart. Don't be taking that. We're not taking that, okay? You gotta be next to teachers, Tom.
Charlie's getting back to Charlie's way.
Okay. Hi, baby. No? No? Yeah, it's still gonna be your birthday.
Yeah, Hulk turns 1 this month.
When?
We got her the end of this month.
30th?
No, I think it was the 25th or something like that.
25th is your birthday?
Brendan, please do not do that anymore.
It went in, but
And I'm going to tell you, do not do that anymore. Brody, go get me the hammer.
Okay, where is it?
Go find it.
It's my dad's shop. It's in dad's shop. Underneath the door.
But yeah, this is our Whacky Shack coop. Made wacky for a purpose. I'm going to stick to it. And so far the birds are absolutely loving it. The inside in the new coop. They have 5 roosts. A new feeder bucket for them. It's not overly big, but for them it's perfect size because they have lots of roosts to get up. They also have the nesting box right there, which is accessible from the outside. They have this whole other side that they can enjoy. The door gets tied up in the morning and tied down at night, and there's a stake goes down to keep it closed. So this is the plan with these guys. I am going to expand this a little bit because we are getting new layer hens, so we're going to eventually expand it again, which is the nice part. I call it the Whacky Shack. It's pretty wacky looking. I'm not a carpenter, but I built this with my husband and my kids, and it may not be the prettiest chicken coop, but it's very functional. Also, it's gonna stay warm because I got this insulation up here, so it's gonna stay warm for them for the winter. We are still cold. We are still getting -3, -4 degrees. day and night. So
I'm gonna go in.
this insulation actually keeps it about 5 or 6 more degrees warmer than the trailer. So it's warmer for the trailer. It's a little darker in here. I don't have the flash on in here. It's not that dark, but it's a little bit darker. But so far so good. And they're enjoying the run. You know, you're not going through the run. Brendan's so small he can fit through the run door. I don't want him doing that all the time.
Why?
Because it's not nice. And eventually you're going to get too big. You're going to get stuck. You're going to get hurt. Or you're going to break the hinges off.
Or you're gonna get stuck like me. I'm skinny, Brody.
Listen to your mama. But yeah, this is our new coop. And I built this all for free from scrap wood. The only thing I bought for this entire coop
was the stuff.
was the latch and the hinges, which cost I think
And
20
this.
bucks. Oh, we will needed that anyways. You need bedding, Brendan.
I know.
All right, so Brendan can go out.
Your mom's gonna be
Mommy's coming out.
Big boy door.
Okay, shut the door. They're coming in.
I'm a big boy now. You're a big boy.